Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel where we explore the fascinating world of medicine. Today, we're diving into a crucial concept in pharmacology, bioequivalence. It's a term that's often used when discussing generic drugs, but what does it really mean? And why is it so important for your health and the healthcare industry? Let's break it down. What is bioequivalence? Bioequivalence refers to the comparison of two drug formulations to ensure they have the same bioavailability when administered. Bioavailability, in simple terms, is the rate and extent to which the active ingredient of a drug is absorbed and becomes available at the site of action. This concept is essential when a new generic version of a drug is introduced to the market, as it must be proven to work just as effectively as the brand name version. So, how do we ensure that a generic drug is just as good as its brand name counterpart? This is where bioequivalence studies come into play. These studies are designed to compare the pharmacokinetic properties, how the drug moves through the body, of the generic drug known as the test product with the innovator drug called the reference product. Pharmacokinetic parameters like Cmax, the maximum concentration of the drug in the bloodstream, Tmax, the time it takes to reach that maximum concentration, and AUC, the area under the concentration time curve, are crucial in these studies. By comparing these values between the generic and the brand name drug, scientists can determine if the two are bioequivalent. Now, these studies are not just scientific exercises. They're a regulatory requirement. Agencies like the US FDA and the European Medicines Agency have strict standards that a generic drug must meet to be considered bioequivalent. The drug's pharmacokinetic parameters must fall within a specific range, usually 80% to 125% of the reference drug's values. Meeting these criteria is essential for the generic drug to gain approval and be marketed as a safe and effective alternative. Once bioequivalence is established, the generic drug can be substituted for the brand name drug in clinical practice. This is a big deal because it promotes accessibility and affordability in healthcare. Patients can receive the same therapeutic benefits at a lower cost, which is vital for improving healthcare access across the board. Sometimes, if a generic drug meets certain criteria, it may even be granted a biowaiver, allowing it to be approved without a full bioequivalence study. This can expedite the approval process, getting more affordable drugs to patients faster. But remember, bioequivalence isn't just about numbers. It's about ensuring therapeutic equivalence. This means the generic drug is expected to produce the same therapeutic effect and safety profile as the brand name drug. And that's critical for patient safety. Bioequivalence studies involve a lot of planning and precision. The study design typically involves human subjects, comparing how the drug is absorbed, distributed, metabolized, and excreted. Statistical analysis is key here, with rigorous standards to determine if the generic drug is truly equivalent to the reference drug. So, why are these studies so significant? They play a pivotal role in the drug development process. By establishing that generic drugs are therapeutically equivalent to their brand name counterparts, bioequivalence studies help ensure that patients have access to safe, effective, and more affordable pharmaceutical options. This not only benefits patients, but also promotes innovation and competition in the pharmaceutical industry. In summary, bioequivalence is a cornerstone of modern pharmacology. It's what allows us to confidently use generic drugs, knowing that they will perform just as well as the brand name versions. This trust is built on rigorous testing and regulatory standards that ensure these medications are both safe and effective. Thank you for joining me today. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to our channel for more insights into the world of medicine. Don't forget to hit the bell icon so you never miss an update. Stay informed, stay healthy, and we'll see you next time.